Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Silkie chicken truly offers a unique, rich flavor and impressive health benefits that set it apart. Its distinct dark meat and skin are surprisingly tender when prepared correctly, making it a culinary delight. Often praised in traditional cuisines, this exotic poultry is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create a nutritious and memorable meal. It's leaner than conventional chicken, yet incredibly flavorful. First, thoroughly clean your silkie chicken, carefully removing any remaining pin feathers or internal organs. This initial step is crucial for a pleasant eating experience. Next, pat the bird completely dry using paper towels. This ensures that crispy, golden skin we all love. Finally, season generously, both inside and out, with a good quality salt, freshly ground pepper, and your favorite dried herbs like thyme or rosemary. This simple preparation builds a strong flavor foundation. Roasting is an excellent method to truly highlight the silkie's unique texture and delicate flavor, creating a tender, moist result. Begin by preheating your oven to a consistent 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even cooking from the start. Place your seasoned chicken on a rack in a roasting pan and cook for about 60 to 75 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit is reached in the thickest part of the thigh. To further enhance the silkie's natural flavors, consider stuffing the cavity with aromatics like fresh garlic cloves, bright lemon slices, or sweet onion quarters. These additions infuse the meat with wonderful, subtle notes as it cooks. Baste the chicken occasionally with its savory pan drippings. This keeps the skin crisp and the meat incredibly moist throughout the roasting process. Serve your perfectly roasted silkie with simple, complementary sides, such as tender roasted root vegetables or fluffy steamed jasmine rice, for a balanced meal. For the most tender and juicy result, always allow the cooked silkie chicken to rest for a full 10 minutes before you begin carving. This crucial step lets the juices redistribute throughout the meat, preventing it from drying out. Remember, silkie chicken is quite lean, so avoid overcooking. Use a meat thermometer to be sure. Enjoy the unique, delicate taste and incredibly tender texture of this special poultry, perfect for impressing guests or simply treating yourself to something truly different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.